So what do students want from a coaching institute?
I want surety that I will crack IPMAT.
I want to make sure that I get selected in my dream college.
And how do we at Supercracks ensure that you get selected in IIMs and top P schools? Well, hear it from those who have been in your shoes and succeeded.
So as soon as I joined Supergrads, I was like, this is it. The kind of content, the kind of explanations which we were provided, it was like they basically knew what we as students are actually looking for.
They covered all the important topics, all the previous year questions, and covered such a vast amount of syllabus in such a short period of time. So that was very helpful for me.
At Supergrads, we cover your entire syllabus 3 times in 3 stages. Stage 1, Essentials. In Essentials, we ensure that you understand every concept along with its application. Then you will practice LOD1 conceptual problems using our classroom worksheets, 100 plus topic test and 90 plus combo topics. This is stage 2, Empower. In this stage, we solve a lot of problems which are of LOD2 difficulty level. Along with this, we solve previous year questions as well. For this, we have especially curated 60 plus section tests on QA, LR and English.
Enhance, our third stage. In this stage, you will practice expected IPMAT question for IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak and JIPMAT of LOD 2 and 3 to match the exam difficulty.
To help you excel in your examination, we have a set of 23 ranker study material, that is RSMs, that we provide you that comprise quantitative ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability and static GK. And if you think that's all, no guys, that's not all. Because after that we provide you GMBs, that is Grandmaster's Box, that comprises 9 books that cover your previous year papers as well as questions that are relevant for your upcoming IPMAT examination. But it all means nothing if you're not prepared for the actual exam. And that is where the mock test, the test series comes into play. We have over 100 mock tests for your IPMAT and other BBA entrance examinations where you can come and test your skills.
We provide mock analysis tools that help you dig deep into time spent per question, answer distribution, difficulty level of each question, your percentile, your overall rank, section-wise report and toppers comparison. You can review your performance and receive detailed feedback to improve your scores and each mock test.
With our live Telegram groups available 24/7, you can also ask your doubt in our online and offline classes, or you can attend our offline doubt clearing session.
After these classes, you're going to get an expert panel who's going to take your mock interviews and help you face the real interviews from IIMS.
To guide you in your journey, our faculties also serve as mentors to help you balance your board preparation with the IPMAT preparation.
Just in year 2023, we have given 512 plus selections in top IPMAT and BBA colleges. Talking specifically about IIMS, 215 plus students were shortlisted for the interview calls. And out of them, 95 students have made it to IIMS finally for IPMAT program.
Turn your potential into performance with interactive online and offline classes, stellar doubt clearing mechanism, mentorship sessions, Astra mock test series, up-to-date study material, internal competitions, and to keep things interesting, boot camps.
Bringing you closer to success every time.
We are Supergrads Top Rankers.